everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how you can hack a website, how you can hack a server. So this will be the practical, fully practical, and this is the part 2. And topic is remote file inclusion vulnerability. So this is the topic, and in this topic, I have already covered one dedicated video. So first you have to look at that video, then come to on this part 2. So here guys, as you know, I have already mentioned I am using two machine here. This is the Kali machine, attacker machine, and this is the Metasploit. This is the target machine. So here if you are able to, like, this is the IP of my Metasploit machine, right? And here is the file website for the testing. So we will test this to the DVWA and file inclusion. If you look at the security level, so I have set this is in medium security level. You can also set this and then go to the file inclusion tab. So here, and the second tab I have opened, this is the file reverse.txt which I have made, or like, for the malicious code. So this is my Kali Linux IP, and in this Kali Linux there is a folder evil file, and on that there is a reverse.txt file, right? So if you, like, enter the Kali Linux IP, guys, so you will get, make sure you have restart your Apache 2 server. So through that means you are able to access your local host, right? So here is the file, how we upload, how we make, and there are multiple things. So I have covered that on my part 1 lecture, so you can visit that lecture to better understanding. So here I have make this PHP vulnerable code. There is a function pass through, and this is the netcat code, and this is the Kali Linux IP, and this is the port where we, uh, through that port we will have. So now go to your terminal and type the command netcat command. Port is 8081. So you can see I am listening here, and if anyone want to connect me, then I will connect with that server. So this is our code. If I copy that code here from here, in your, in my case this is in my local server, and in your case maybe this is, you can make your local server, or maybe you have any like remotely server, so you can also do the same way, right? So this is our target website, and here you can see page is equal to include.php, but we, now this is the query, page include is equal to include.php. This is the include.php page. If we write our code here, page is equal to our server where we have, restore, like, store the txt file. In this txt file is the malicious code. If I enter here, so you can see this is executing, but I am not able to connect that server. So guys, I have already one lecture on this, how we can connect, but in this part 2 I will let you know, if you are not able, how you can. So here guys, to understand, maybe in this page there is a filter that maybe check this, forward slash, maybe check this http, or maybe check something, because generally we don't use http in between the query, right? So what we do, we can bypass this through the, make this small tt to capital tt and enter. If you enter here, you can see I am able to connect. That means this machine, this is my Kali Linux machine, this machine IP now connect with this IP, means this server. So that means I have hacked the website. If you do anything here, you are able to get the result. For example, if you type ID, so you can see your ID. If you type pwd to know current directory, you can know that. If you type ls list of directory, you can also get that. So you can do anything here because you have now connected to that server, or you can say you have hacked that server. So this is all in this video, guys. I have already, I one lecture on this. First go to, see that lecture, because I have explained in better way how we can create the file, or how we can that store that file into the server. So all these things, so first visit to that lecture, then come to on this lecture, so you will able to get the better understanding. So this is all on this in this video. And please subscribe my channel to know in next upcoming hacking video. So guys, I am uploading all hacking video from basic to advanced. So I hope you will able to learn the through the all video basic to advanced. So thank you guys, this is it all in this video. Thank you.